Ceramic coating is just not ceramic coating. There's a whole multitude of manufacturers out there, some good, some bad. We've talked about that before. It's all about the application, about picking the right product for the right application. There's a video up here. Unfortunately, sad story. A lady bought a brand new Tesla, went to YouTube University, where you are right now, watched a bunch of YouTube videos, learned how to do ceramic coating, and the end result is she got the wrong ceramic coating, she applied it the wrong way. Anything that could go wrong did go wrong in the whole application. Needed somebody to fix it for her, and nobody would touch it. We went ahead and fixed it for her. Nothing went wrong with it, the client was happy. Typically when we're doing paint ceramic coatings, the remedy is you repolish it if you have a high spot on. If you have a polisher at home, cool, you can do that. If you don't have a polisher, you can't. With the interior coatings, there's no remedy to it. There's no undoing it. There's no polishing, there's no scrubbing, that's what you be careful of. So try not to be, I'm not a paid spokesperson here, I'm not sponsored. This isn't, there's no hidden fees behind this video or anything like that. This is all my own. We've picked the Gyeon coating line because we believe the Gyeon coating line works. We're a certified installer of Gyeon coatings. What I mean is Gyeon believes strongly enough in the work of Immaculate Paint Protection to let us buy. There's certain products that only pros have access to. We picked the Gyeon coating line, we evaluate other coating lines, there's other great coating lines, but Gyeon works really well for our shop for two reasons. The one reason is that they have all the aftercare products that are available to our consumers. Our clients come in, they want to know what to buy, what to take care of. Everything that we sell, everything that we've touched via Gyeon works. Here's what I like about that. I like about the fact that if you're paying big bucks for a ceramic coating, it's because you want your car, one, to look good, and two, you want it to be easy to wash, easy to keep clean. And you're probably very particular and meticulous about appearance. Appearance matters to you, and that's great, it should. The last thing you want to do is spend a bunch of money and then have a bunch of frustration when you're out washing your car. Washing your car should be fun and easy and simple if you have a ceramic coating that's done right. The Gyeon product line complements that and makes that happen. Look, the one thing I found out in life is that you can pay for things one of three ways. You can pay with frustration, with time, and money. So I don't like to be frustrated anymore, all right? So if I can get away from it, if I can pay a little bit more money, save a little time, eliminate the frustration, that's what I want to go. There's two certified coatings we have available. We won't dive down into it, but we have here base type 1, base type 2. This is we'll put base type 2 on SUVs, trucks, anything that lives outside. Base type 1 works really well for these garage queens, sports cars that are going to be inside. So the difference between the pro level coating and something you can buy yourself and squirt on, same active ingredient in this big bottle here as this small bottle that's available to the consumer. It's the concentration level, right? So the higher the concentration, the little more difficult it becomes to work with, hence professional only. Fluorine modified polyxylazine. What's that mean? It means base type 1, super slick coating, super big beads. So either one of these coatings, they're both going to have this. It's their infinite. Let's just open the box up here for you. So first thing you can get is there's the bottle. What I like about the bottle is, if we can focus up there, is that it has hologram. Every bottle has a unique number. There's a warranty packet that comes along with it. That warranty packet comes in. The warranty card has a sticker. The clients, they go to Gyeon and register the warranty. So the client then knows that they got an authentic product. That's what I liked about it, because quite frankly, there's a bunch of hooey nonsense out there in the ceramic coating world right now. So the warranty gives the consumer the choice. The warranty with Gyeon gives the consumer the choice. It's a 5-year base warranty if you never see us again. You just need to maintain the vehicle, please, all right? You need to wash your car every 650 miles, every 2 weeks. Boom, warranty for 5 years. You never see the shop again, right? So a lot of these shops are selling, multi-year warranties or lifetime warranties, a hooking with a lifetime warranty. The problem there is people hear lifetime warranty, they think they're never gonna have to do any maintenance to their vehicle or never wash it again. Unfortunately, that's a bad day. So my question to those guys is, hey, if you got this lifetime warranty, are you selling up front to your clients that you have to come back every year for this annual maintenance? If they didn't tell you that, they just sold you a service contract, not a warranty. If you do want the lifetime warranty, absolutely can give you a lifetime warranty. What you need to do is you need to come back every 2 years or 12,000 miles, whichever's first, for the ceramic coating maintenance. So ceramic coating maintenance is full decon wash, go over the vehicle, inspect the coating, and then it gets topped off with Can Coat Pro. That's how you wind up with a lifetime warranty. So the coating is refreshed, rejuvenated periodically. And that's how the maintenance, that's how it's maintained. So transparency, prices are online at IMMACULATEPaintProtection.com. There should be no doubt in anybody's mind when they're leaving the shop, hey, what did I get? Is it real? Is it legit? We'll show you the bottle that was used on your car. That bottle number will match on the warranty. That bottle number will match on your invoice. No questions. I mean, it's buttoned up, and if you really have to, you got to call GN and talk to them, and they'll tell you that the bottle was legitimate. Just make sure you're asking the right questions if you're shopping around for a coating. Make sure you're at a reputable shop. Look for a big brand name. Look at that big brand name. Find if your installer, detailer, paint protection shop is on that website. If they are, talk to your friends, see if they've had work done before. All the common sense types of things will get you set up for success. We have the wash kits available. We have different wash kits. Everything we showed you here today is available for sale at IMMACULATEPaintProtection.com. Follow our process. You're going to wind up with a tool set that's nicer than most professional detailers out there. And we also have some full feature-length videos on a Tesla, on a couple pickup trucks. You can check those out on YouTube or check us out on our website at IMMACULATEPaintProtection.com for the full feature-length videos.